Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a weekend vlog. Okay, so this is a weekend vlog. Today is Saturday. What's today's date? Today is Saturday something. Saturday something, guys. Today is Saturday 26th. Yeah, so it's a weekend vlog. Just want to take you guys around my day today, so spend the weekend with me. Okay, yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy vlogs like this, and consider subscribing and share the video. And then when you subscribe, consider turning on your notification bell, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of excited. I don't even know why. I have no idea why I'm excited. So guys, I just finished having my shower. As I say, I don't even know why I'm excited, but somehow I'm just excited. So I need to go and brush my hair. See my hair? Yeah, I just finished showering. I'm in my bedroom. I need to dark in here, my bathroom. Yeah, I need to brush my hair. Ooh, the bathroom light, the bright light that was here, the daytime light that was here, it finished. So I had to buy, I'm trying to hang my towel with one hand, so I had to buy what do you call it? I need to get my comb right down here. There it is. So I tried to get another one, but then this one is the yellow one. It's not the bright daytime one. I have the mirror in front of me, guys. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see the mirror. So that's my mirror, guys. So I'm just trying to, yeah, Jiro, later we have some cake.
I made cake and cupcakes today.
Well done.
I did it in time.
Well done, Jiro. I'm coming downstairs soon. So guys, my mirror is pretty dirty. I'm just trying to brush my hair, hold the camera with one hand. Yeah guys, I should really put the camera somewhere, but anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to brush my hair and then I'm going to go downstairs. Yeah, I need to sort out my bedroom though, but that will be later, guys. And then you see this, so the website changes a bit from time to time. Okay, this is just the slide show which changes from time to time, so you guys can check it. You guys can check it out. Okay, so I got different categories there. Let's go to let me just show you new arrivals so you guys can see some of the stuff. Yes, we got some of those bracelets and bangles. Okay, so when you click on any of the category, just wait for it to open up. Yeah, so we got some new backpack. Okay, so it's SOPHIA'S Fab, so that's the website. And we got some fabrics. We also got some clothing, so you just take a look at it. Let's go to the fabrics. We got a lot of things there and see if there's anything you fancy. So these are some of my fabric. There's a lot of fabrics on the website. I'm just showing you some of these, and we also have some clothing on the website as well. Okay, so I just want to show you guys my website so you can check it out. There's jewelry, there's bags, there's fabrics, there's clothing. See, there you have it. These clothing are all handmade. Okay, some of them are like this one here is not made by me, but most of them here is handmade by me and my seamstress. So that in case you're interested, yeah guys, so these are some of our hairbands as well. There's a lot. I don't just want to click on the next page, just want you guys to just get a bit of a clip. Okay, yeah, so we also have gift card in case you want to buy someone a gift. That's our gift card over there, so you can get someone a gift. It's a bit slow, so that's why it takes a little while to open up. But these are some of the jewelries. There's a lot of jewelries. I don't want to click on the next page, but when you come to the website you can click on the next page and then you can see more of the jewelries, and also you can always send me a message as well. Okay guys, so patronize me, help my ministry, help my business. I ship worldwide. Okay, I ship worldwide, so wherever you are in the world I ship to you. Okay, as long as you can pay the postage, I ship to you. Okay, yeah, so that's some of the necklaces. Let's quickly show you guys the earrings. Okay, so have a look at my website. I'm sure you'll find something that you will like. Okay, be it necklace, earring, bag, fabric, fashion clothing. You'll find something that you like. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my hair. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of my hair? I just part it into two. I part it into two and then brush it. So I need to go downstairs. I need to go and make lunch now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go to the kitchen and go and make some lunch. I'm just trying to get my phone charger. Okay guys, so I'm in my kitchen now. I'm in my kitchen. I don't know, we are always fond of looking at the viewfinder. Yeah, so I'm in my kitchen now and I'm going to be cooking. So I'm going to be making some jollof rice. I actually have a jollof rice recipe on my channel already, and I think I made another recipe for jollof rice which I haven't posted yet. So I have to find that video so I can post it. I'm sure it's in one of my SD card. Yeah, so I got these peppers. I have a video where I show you guys these peppers. So I'm going to be making some jollof rice. I'm doing some laundry over here. Let me show you guys. I've already washed these clothes. I just need to, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you guys. So much laundry, guys. You guys see my laundry basket. The two of them is filled up. So I need to actually see the machine is going. Yeah, so that's part of what I'm doing right now. So guys, I need to remove these clothes from here. Okay, and then I think I'll do that when the rice is cooking. Yeah, I think when the rice is cooking I can be doing the laundry. In that way I'll finish everything on time. Yeah, I made some eba yesterday. I have the two of them here. I need to put them in the fridge. Yeah, I need to put them in the fridge so they don't spoil. I have 2 wrap left. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my camera on maybe a taller stand. Alright, Gabriel? Yeah. My son Gabriel. I'm going to put my camera on a taller stand so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to think of where to put the camera. Some part of the kitchen, when I move, the camera becomes darker. I mean, the lighting in the camera is face away. So I'm just going to look for a good position to put the camera. Okay guys, so guys, I'm cooking now. I'm just trying to prepare the tomato sauce for the jollof rice. Yeah, so I got my tomatoes, I got my peppers and onions, everything in there. I just want to get some water, hot water. I need to boil hot water for the rice. What I normally do is I like to soak my rice for a bit. So this is my rice. There's a lot of us in the house, so it's a lot of rice. There's 7 of us in the house, so there's a lot of rice. Okay, I'm even hoping this rice will be enough. So let's cook. Let's cook together. Today's Saturday. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. My kettle, it makes so much noise. I don't mind why kettle tends to make a lot of noise. Yes. Of the kettle, I like it. I want to blend English. I have my peppers and onions here already, so I'm going to be chopping 1 onion. I have ginger and garlic here, and I'm using these 3 plum tomato. This one is chopped, this one is plum, this one is chopped. I'm just going to be pouring it in there but I need to open them first as usual. Yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and suggest a video. Oh my gosh, the noise of all these things can't make me talk. Suggest me a video you think I can do that you will enjoy watching a lot. Sometimes you run out of ideas, you run out of video ideas sometimes. So let's get blending, okay? Because time is gone. God, so much clothes. Let me show you guys my rice is ready. I'm going to be having it with some chicken over there. Yeah, so that's the chicken there, and that's the jollof rice. It's cooked now, guys, properly cooked now. So it's time to feed everybody. Time is gone, but we are still going to eat. Bring your plates, let me give you guys. It tastes so delicious. I've tasted it already. Tastes really yum. It's very yum. You guys see that? And Precious have. She's in here. She's whispering. Somebody should help me ask her why is she whispering. Instead of her to come and talk, she's here doing, so have I. So guys, yeah, that's my jollof rice. And I've managed to do my laundry. I'm still hanging the clothes. But the machine is nearly finished washing now. So I'm going to serve this food now for us to eat. We're all hungry. Okay. So guys, I'm cleaning my table. I'm done. I'm tired and done. Okay. Yeah, Precious, come. She's over there. Come. I'm just cleaning my table. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching today's vlog. My weekend. Today is Saturday. Okay. Thanks for spending my Saturday with me. I appreciate it so much. Yeah, I still got a lot of things to do, but I think I'm just going to end the vlog here because I want everybody to eat. Okay. Yeah, so our food is ready. I've already hung the clothes to be drying. Yeah guys, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.